Um, I'm just surprised that DJI did not change. I was thinking about a little bit more smaller, or but they kept their sizes almost the same. It's just a little bit smaller, like the Part 2 Osmo Mobile 2 version, or Mobile 1, I'm sorry. I would say it's like you can see the difference is really big, and now they got smaller, but they all have this design. But everything else, I like using them. It's, I don't want to say I'm a DJI fan. It just experience with DJI products opens. And you guys can see this is the new feature it has. It's magnetic. The thing about this, hopefully it charges, but I don't know if it does. And they had new, everything else almost the same thing as the 3. The only thing's really different is this part right here. And we're gonna go check it out. The magnetic, it's just more portable, more easier access, I would say, than you carrying it around, I would say. So let's see. There we go. This is my impression of it, my thought of it, and so it does come with a magnetic style. Wow, what is this? Okay. That's interesting. Because this is to come with the case. Wow. Cool thing about that, you can actually put your drone there too if you would like. And you get this Osmo. How you set up your phone. Okay, weird. See what pops in here. What's this, another magnetic style or something, or another 3M tape, I guess. I'll go check on that. Let's see. Okay, instructions. All right. And this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. Interesting. And I guess this thing's right here is like a cover. So from my experience already owning DJI Osmos, I would say, from the second or the third. Yeah, this one, it has a little bit, the way it feels a little bit different, I would say. And the color too, I don't know why they're getting like, I like the darker color, like this color. I don't know why they're getting like lighter and lighter. Next thing you know, it's gonna be white, I guess. And finally it comes with this. Before, you have to buy the combo version to even have one of these. And okay, how strong this magnetic? Oh wow, it is strong. Dang. You get some, it's pretty strong. Interesting. Wow. Wow. Okay. And what else it comes with? USB-C. All right. So all this come in one, but now the only thing difference is this part right here. Interesting. Let's see if this one right here also magnetic. What's this? Oh wow, it's also magnetic. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting how this thing works. And of course, you just turn this on. Yeah. I gotta go ahead and balance it out. But my point so far, my thought of it is interesting. I don't know, still, it's still kind of big, you know. I don't know. I mean, I do like it, you know. I'm not gonna complain, but it's just, I wish it could be a little bit smaller now, you know. I guess they want to keep it up, so because just in case you have a heavier phone, you can still carry this around with you. But so far, my thought of it is okay, you know. I liked it, but it's just the fact that being an Osmo 4, I mean, they changed it to upgrade to magnetic, and hopefully this thing will charge your phone. Now, if this thing will charge your phone, then it would be interesting, because I mean, all our iPhones, iPhone 10, 11, is already, or I would say the Samsungs and other phones, they already have like magnetic charge. I'm just hoping that, I don't know if it does. I didn't really look at the feature of this Osmo Mobile 4 version of it, but I want to know if it will charge it, because it's kind of like the part about having the Osmo 3 is the fact that, you know, when you're getting out of low battery ready and then you're trying to charge your phone, yes, you do have this, but sometimes the cord and everything is just a little bit annoying. But the battery life on this one is pretty good, especially the 3 version. But here's my thought of it, man. It's wow, and very interesting. So, I don't know. I'm not gonna say it's like gonna be a game changer, but it seems pretty cool. So, it's a little bit, I would say, it's a little bit lighter than a Mavic Air 2. Yeah, it's a little bit lighter. So it's like a light gray flat color to it. You can see the Osmo. See how dark it is with the Osmo. I think they're changing the colors a little bit. Yeah, just showing you guys the colors. Interesting. So far so good, I would say. You know, for getting one of these, I think it's all, I would say, almost the same feature as a Mobile 3. Um, I don't know. I mean, I do like it, but it's just, you know, I'm just, you know, when you say Mobile 4, I expect to be like smaller. I like the magnetic, the way it does to the phone. I like that, but I want to go and check it down. And you can see here, I mean, you can even charge your phone. You have to get a cable to do it. But if you decided just to charge this, I mean, you know, you got to do it manually. So that's the only thing that I'm issue with this, you know. Hopefully everything is nice, you know. But it would be nice if this thing can charge your phone while it's magnetic. Everything else is the same thing, I would say, and they probably just have a little bit of mod, I would say, a little upgrade to a mobile 3. And of course they have the magnetic, I would say, like, that's about it. But everything else is, you know, it's good. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the idea of it, but I'm just still overwhelmed, you know, of the color and the magnetic. But they did not change the, okay, like, it's magnetic, but even better if you can also charge your phone while it's magnetic, you know. So that's the only thing that I'm concerned here. And I am looking around. There is really no yeah, so you cannot charge your, I would say, your phone, you know. I mean, so far so good. It was job, I would say. I mean, I'm not using a track, but just using this around. Yeah, so far so good. And just, this is my thought, guys, you know. By the reason why I'm not trying to, it's just the fact that, you know, I own so many DJI drones and product, you know, Mobile 1, Mobile 3s, and also I would say the Osmo Pocket. See, like that right now my phone is low battery, you know. It would be great, you know, I would say, if DJI did that. But this part right here is pretty cool, you know. The only thing that I'm concerning about is the fact that it would be great if, you know, it would just charge your phone while not even using the cable anymore. And that would be a game changer, because most of the new phones, I would say, is it has, you know, back charging wirelessly. I don't know if DJI gonna do that with a firmware update, but so far so good, man. I mean, you know, for $150, you know, you can't really complain it. And you get this metal, look like aluminum style, so it's much easier. Before, you have to keep fixing it, you know, to make sure where exactly, sometimes you have to mark it where exactly your phone is. But now they have this, it's just, things are just much easier, you know. It's way easier now. And if you want to be comfortable, you can actually just have the pod and, you know, super glue it, or, you know, 3M, and there you go. But everything so far so good, man. I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.